You say bus? Bus? How do you say bus? That's
Where's the
right,
bus? Where's the bus?
How do you say mama? Can you say mama?
Can you say
Hunter,
mama?
can you say mama?
Say dad.
You say dad? Bus? You just want to say bus?
Say Susie.
Bus. Can you say dad? Can you say mama? Can you say mama?
Say mama.
That's right, mama.
Say Susie. Say Susie.
He did. He said Susie. That's how he says it.
Where's Susie? He's still laughing. Where's Susie? Where's Susie? Right here. Say Susie or I'll tickle you.
Can you say Susie? Susie? Can you say Susie? Is that Susie? Aww.
So cute. How cute can you get?
You see trucks?
You see truck? Where's the apple car? You say apple car? Can you say outside? Outside?
That's right, outside.
Can you say mama? Can you say dad?